Job market before and now. There is a huge difference between the job market when I came to Canada in 21 and today in 2026. At back then, there were a lot of jobs available, part time, full time. If you were to leave a job today, there were chances that you will be able to get a new job in a restaurant, in a factory setting, or a warehouse, maybe by the end of tomorrow. But for now, you could be out of your job for months and still not be able to find one. The part-time jobs are still available in the market, Tim Hortons, restaurants, warehouses, but they are all hiring either the work permit holders or the permanent residents. So if you are a newcomer to Canada, it will be hard for you to get a new job or to even get a part-time job. So I will say and I will recommend that you must upgrade and upskill yourself, learn new things, new language. So keep learning, keep improving, and stay safe.